Yeah.
How are
Pooja,
you?
right? Yeah, I'm
Yes,
fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am good.
Good. Okay, tell me where are you from, what you do?
Currently, I am from there in Delhi, and I am as a working professional as a backend executive, and as well as learning sales also.
Okay, what executive?
Backend executive.
Back-end executive. Okay, okay. And tell me what was the purpose of joining Clapingo?
Purpose to enhance my English speaking.
Okay, okay. So you, presently you're working for a company in Delhi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me about your schooling. See, how I do is I ask the questions and I want the students to keep speaking. And when they speak, I find the mistakes and then help them out.
Okay.
Okay, so that is why I'll be going on asking questions. I would just want you to speak about the questions. Okay.
Yes, my problem is in tenses.
Okay, I know many of the students have that only as a problem. Tense is that they mix up the present and the past and the future and all that.
Yeah, yes,
So
same,
I'll help.
same, same as me.
Not to worry. So I'm here not to help you. So don't worry.
Okay.
Which session is this? How many sessions over with Clapingo?
It's almost 27 around
And
28.
how many sessions have you taken? 1 month, 3 months?
It's 3 months.
Okay, okay, okay.
It's going on.
I
Three
know.
months. I think it will expire on 26th August.
Okay, okay. Once a week? How is it? You
No, 3 days.
okay, okay.
3 days for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, okay. You're there
Yeah.
only for 15. Okay, okay. Sorry.
Yes.
Uh, uh, yeah, so tell me, uh, what was I asking? Yeah. Tell me, you did your schooling and college, all that in Delhi itself? Were
No,
you from
no,
Delhi? No.
no. I born is in Kolkata.
Okay.
Born and brought up is in
I
Kolkata.
was. Okay. I was born
I
and
was.
brought up in Calcutta.
I was born and brought up in Kolkata,
Mm-hmm.
and also I did my schooling and college was in Kolkata.
Okay. You know, you did know, so you don't have to give again words. You did your
Okay,
schooling and college in Kolkata.
in Kolkata.
Yeah. So how long have you been in Delhi?
It's around 1.5 years.
Okay. So just for job you came to Delhi
Yes, right.
and you are living alone.
Yes, right.
Brave girl. Okay. So tell me, how was the change from Kolkata to Delhi? Big change, right?
Yes, definitely. I am learning so much in Delhi because currently I'm living alone, and also means very big change if I say.
Huh. Yeah. What is the first thing which you found it difficult, or what is it that you find it a big change when you came to Delhi from Kolkata?
Big change.
Yeah.
If I say that I am getting stronger. Means I'm getting stronger by mentally, by physically also. But sometimes feel means I remember my means I what I say English. What's the English of yaad aana?
I remember.
Okay,
I remember, or I get to realize.
okay. I remembered my my mother so much because
Okay.
in Kolkata I got food easily, but in Delhi I don't because I I made myself.
Okay. You are no, in Delhi you make everything on yourself. You decide many things on your own, right?
Yes, yes,
Very much unlike home where someone else to correct you or help you out, right? Here you have to make
yes,
decisions on your own.
yes, right.
But don't you think that helps you and makes you more independent and more stronger?
Yes, right. It's
Okay, because you don't have to ask anybody. It is your decision, whatever, right?
yes, it's my decision, and yeah, it's helping me. It's helping me a lot to making me independent.
Okay, okay. So, how talk about the other activities which you found it different when you came to Delhi.
Other activities like what?
Like, see, the weather is different, the food habits is different.
Okay, okay. So if I say like here means environment is almost okay, not I say like good. And like if I say in the Kolkata, food is very cheaper. Food is very cheaper, and also healthy food. I was getting there, but here not too much healthy because it's a little bit okay. And
Mm-hmm.
if I say like means when I was in Kolkata, then I had always heard the news that Delhi is not safe for girls.
Yeah.
So it's if I say in when I came to Delhi, then this myth is clearly changed. This myth,
Okay.
yeah, it's myth.
This
Actually, it's
me too. This belief. You believe that it was very unsafe for girls, right?
yeah.
That's
This
what you
belief,
believe.
yes, right. This belief is changed certainly when I came to Delhi, and almost I'm living in almost it's 1.5 years, and I'm learning so much, and I am feeling safe here, not like feeling unsafe.
Okay.
I was also doing my home course by own, and also
By myself, not by oh, by myself.
okay, by myself.
Yeah.
And if I say like I'm also bit changes, if I say like shopping and grocery grocery items to buy. So it makes me stronger day by day, and enhancing that how to use my money, how to use my money in a right
Better.
format.
Okay. Right. Okay. How was it to? Okay, this is about your life. Now, work-wise, how was it? Now, how was your work atmosphere and work feeling and all that?
Okay. In a work life, I am currently working in at home, work from home, and from there, I am learning so much.
One sec. Sorry. Yeah, continue. Continue.
In workplace, workplace is good. Actually, there I am learning selling skills, selling skill, as well as like means enhancing my back end work progress also. Leading the team means giving the task to team, means delegating the task to team.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's very, and in daily basis I am conversing many people because I am in work in progress, if I say, in selling zone. uh,
Okay.
it's a good environment I'm getting
Okay.
there.
And how is your colleague? How are your colleagues? Are they helpful? or are they they are very uh, mean, or they don't help you? How are your colleagues in your office?
Colleagues is very awesome. They are always ready to help me whenever I stuck in somewhere.
I
Then
get
I
stuck. Whenever I get stuck,
whenever I get stuck in
get
somewhere.
stuck
Okay. Whenever I get stuck in somewhere, then
in
I must
something, not somewhere. When I get stuck in something,
when I get stuck in something, then I contact to my colleagues, and they're ready to help me.
okay, okay, yeah. Tell me about do you cook now here? And how do you cook? I'm sure you cook, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. So, how did you learn to cook? Do you ask your mother, or is your YouTube and all that helping you?
Sometimes when I feel hungry, and when I feel to eat like special food item food, then I really go through the YouTube, and if I want that food, then I go to YouTube and just find it and made
Me.
made it.
Okay. Okay.
And sometimes when I get stuck in some kind of food, some kind of making food, like if I say, mm, it's bottle guard
Bottle gourd.
curry. So
Okay.
that time it's then I called my mom, and then I called my mom,
Okay.
and then get the recipe, and then I made it. But
Okay.
but if I say in a regular basis, then I made by myself.
Okay. 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 Got it. Yeah. So, mm, once again. Yeah. Do you exercise daily, Puja?
No, it's not
Why?
regularly.
Yeah. Do you think exercise is necessary for